Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. So I decided to do another draw in my style kind of video. There's an artist here on YouTube that goes by furrylittlepeach. If you aren't aware of her work or have never heard of her or whatever, I'll leave a link to her stuff down below and in the corner. Definitely go check her out. She does a lot of like studio vlogs and stuff like that. But anyway, the other day I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw that she posted this draw in my style challenge drawing. I thought it was really cute, so I decided to do my own. She did watercolor, but for me, I'm doing this in Procreate. But I still wanted to emulate the kind of watercolor look. So you'll see me kind of messing with a bunch of different brushes, trying to get it to look right, basically. To make it easier on myself, I went through and I basically made a mask layer for each section that I was going to color. Like I did her hair, and then I made another mask layer for her skin, and then another one for her shirt, pants, boots, backpack, rocks, the dinosaur. I didn't bother with the fire because I was going to put that over top anyway because I want it to be like translucent and stuff. So yeah, I like to do masks sometimes if I'm doing a bunch of different like texture techniques, I guess. Like for example, on this I wanted to kind of emulate what she did for the dinosaur, where in hers she painted like lighter colors all over the dinosaur, and then once that was dry she went back with darker colors to sort of like make all the little stars and stuff. So for me, I selected the dinosaur layer and then used the like magic wand tool and selected the dinosaur. And so since I made a mask of that already, it kind of just like selected all of that, all of the mask of the dinosaur. And then I made a new layer, and then I could paint the lighter layers on. So I kind of just did that with a light yellow and a light green, and then I made a new layer, still with that mask selected. And then I went through and did a layer of darker colors. And then with an eraser, I went and made all the little stars and stuff. I actually ended up making brushes to do this rather than like drawing each individual little star. I actually made a video on how to do this quite a while ago, so I'll leave a link to that up in the corner as well. If you also want to learn how to make brushes for Procreate, it's not super difficult, and once you figure it out, like, it's pretty nice because then with stuff like this, you could just make a brush like in a couple minutes. So anyway, I just went through and colored it, trying my best to kind of mimic a watercolor-esque traditional media kind of look. I think that I did okay with it. So yeah, I'm gonna let the rest of the video play out with the music. I went with doing a background, or kind of doing a background, I guess. For me, just with the white background, it felt like it was unfinished. Somehow I feel like on hers, it looks totally like done and great, but for mine, it just looked like it needed something. So yeah, I just added this quick like spacey, dreamy kind of background. I thought that this whole image was kind of dreamlike anyway, what with like a spacey kind of dinosaur. But yeah, so this is how mine turned out, and I'm pretty happy with it. Definitely go check out furrylittlepeach's work. Again, a link to her channel will be up in the corner and down below. I'll also link straight to her Instagram post for her piece like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing, and I'll see you later this week. Bye!